166, I'm Anton Ross, alongside MMA analyst and jiu-jitsu practitioner Theo Castillo and former URCC Federation.
Tapos ang napansin mo dyan, Ali, kasi mga pangalawa, pangatlong attempt na to so hindi siya nagpanic, hindi siya nagmadali.
And kung napapanood nyo sa replay, look, nag-sweep pa siya. Kinuha niya yung leg, under yung right leg at sweep niya. Then he finished the armbar from here. Yes, ganda ng armbar niya.
Maganda pa yung pag-torque niya nung elbow.
First round submission victory for the Prodigy to start
our
submission.
Winner, due to armbar on the first round, the red corner, Solomon, the Prodigy.